E-bike delivery workers are everywhere in New York City. And when one of those bikes collides with you on a crosswalk, a bike lane, or even a sidewalk, the injuries can be serious. Broken bones, head trauma, road rash, torn ligaments. I represent people hurt in exactly these crashes, and I want you to know your rights. Here is what most people do not realize. E-bikes in New York are not covered by standard no-fault insurance the way cars are. That means your path to compensation looks very different. We have to identify every responsible party: the rider, the delivery app they were working for, the restaurant that dispatched them, and any commercial insurance policy in play. Companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, and Relay all handle liability differently, and they fight hard to distance themselves from the worker. That is where having the right attorney matters. I dig into employment status, route data, and policy coverage to build a real case. If an e-bike delivery rider hits you in New York City, call my office today for a free consultation.